practical exam in Python programming, and we made a comprehensive hospital billing and admission system. And then, so here, ginamitan siya natin ng input statements, yung patient information, para malaman natin yung mga kailangan nila. And then, ayan. This first two is for text. This is a whole number, text uli. Whole number, decimal places, and then text. And then, here then, ginamitan naman to ng if else, hindi na sama, to see kung ano yung vitals ng patient. Ito rin. Ginamitan to ng if, elif na chain, para ma-check yung room type dahil mayroon yung ibang-ibang rates. And then, pagkatapos nun, i-compute yon sa room bill and lab fees. Ito yan. Ito yung process nun. May kita yung computation para ma-compute yung total bill. Ito din yung ito yung computation ginamitan ng if, elif na conditions to see kung saan accurate yung nilagay na input ng user. This is the final output. So yung code,